Welcome to this video guide on mastering your laptop's battery health. We will cover how to diagnose, read, and recalibrate your battery performance. Over time, your laptop's battery can degrade. Internal sensors may lose accuracy, leading to sensor drift, where the system misreports the remaining battery life. To achieve maximum performance, follow these 3 steps. Diagnose by extracting a report, read the usage history, and finally, recalibrate the sensors. First, access the diagnostic terminal. Open the Windows search bar, type Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Once in the terminal, type powercfg/battery report and press Enter. This tool will generate a comprehensive HTML document for you. Locate the file in your System32 folder and open it in your web browser to review your battery report. In the report, compare the design capacity against the full charge capacity to understand how your battery's current max charge compares to its original factory state. The report also allows you to track your usage history. You can monitor charging habits and battery drain patterns over time. If the data reveals inaccuracies, perform a full discharge and recharge cycle. This recalibration process resets the sensors for more accurate readings. Stage 1. Saturate the battery. Charge your laptop to 100%, keep it plugged in, and wait at least 2 additional hours to ensure a full state. Stage 2. Drain the power completely. Disconnect the adapter and use your laptop normally until it shuts down automatically. Stage 3. Rest the system. Keep the laptop turned off for at least 5 hours. This allows the battery chemicals to rest and the sensors to reset. Stage 4. Restore the charge. Reconnect the power adapter and charge back to 100% without interruptions to complete the cycle. To summarize, the complete cycle involves charging to full, holding for 2 hours, draining completely, resting for 5 hours, and finally recharging. Maintain peak performance by performing this recalibration every 2 to 3 months. This helps guarantee accurate battery level readings.